In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel an American Express card. By the end, you'll know exactly what to do, what to expect, and how to avoid common hiccups along the way. First, make sure your account balance is fully paid off before you request cancellation. Don't just glance at the last statement, look at the current balance in your online account or mobile app to confirm it's truly at zero. Keep in mind that recent purchases or pending transactions can still post, so you want to see a confirmed $0 balance, not just a statement that's been paid. If you've recently received a statement credit or a refund, wait until it fully applies and the balance settles before moving forward. Next, contact American Express customer service. You can call the number on the back of your card, or if you'd rather not make a phone call, use the live chat feature on the American Express website or in the mobile app. Both options get you to the same place. It's just a matter of preference. When you connect, be clear that you want to cancel your card and keep your account details handy so the process is smooth. Then request to cancel your card and follow the verification steps to confirm your identity. The representative may ask for information to verify you're the account holder, and they may review a brief disclosure about what closing the account means. It's normal for them to discuss alternatives or benefits of keeping the card open, but if you're certain, politely confirm that you'd like to proceed with cancellation. Before finalizing, check your rewards points or statement credits. These can be impacted when an account is closed, and in some cases, points or credits could be forfeited. Open your account dashboard to see your current rewards balance and any outstanding statement credits. If you have questions about what happens to your points or credits after closing, ask the representative to explain your options and timing so you understand the impact before you confirm. Once everything is confirmed with customer service, your American Express card will be officially cancelled. You should receive a confirmation message or notice, and you'll typically see the account reflect a closed status in your online profile. If anything looks unclear after the call or chat, reach back out and ask for written confirmation so you have a record of the closure. And that's it. Balance at zero, contact customer service, verify your identity, review rewards and credits, and finalize. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you cancel your American Express card with confidence.